Revenue Service. How can I help you?
I got a phone call a while ago and I was calling back. I owe taxes.
Okay, just wait a second. I just want to pull out your information, okay?
Yeah. Don't you need my name?
Okay. Hello?
Don't you need my name?
I'm getting your information. Just wait a minute, okay? Hello?
Yeah.
Can you just verify me your first name and the last name?
Yeah, it's Missy.
Missy?
Yeah, it's MISSI. Sandusky.
Yes, good. Okay.
SANDUSKY.
Okay, Missy?
Yeah.
First of all, I introduce myself. My name is Henry Peterson from the Tax and Crime Investigation Department by the IRS. So, very good morning, and how are you today?
Well, I'm doing okay, I guess.
Okay. So, Messi, we called you to ascertain attorney's information. There are some legal allegations and a lawsuit which has been filed against you by the IRS.
Okay. What are those?
Wanted tax evasion and tax fraud under your name.
I knew I should have paid them back in 2011. What years?
Hello?
Yeah. Hello?
Yes.
So, what years and what mistake and how much do I owe?
Okay. Years is 2008 to 2015. Between the year of 2008 to 2015.
Okay.
Total 4 numerical miscalculation.
That's a big one. Well, yeah, I think it was 2011 where I made the mistake. Whoops.
Hello?
I think it was 2011 when I made the mistake. Whoops.
Your voice is breaking too much. Can you repeat it back to me? All things, what are you telling?
I think it was 2011 that I made the mistake. Oh my gosh. But whoops, and I don't know how much. I can't remember because I don't have the documents.
Okay, it's about $2,248.
Wow. I didn't mean not to pay it.
Yes?
Am I in big trouble?
Yes.
You're scaring me.
What do you want to do?
I'm scared now.
No, I'm not scaring you. I'm just calling you to notify you. Okay?
Right, it's a damn shame, isn't it? I can't believe I did that.
What do you want to so listen.
I don't know what to do. Listen. I'm scared. I don't want to do anything.
Hello?
Maybe I should just hang up and run.
Hello, listen.
Yeah.
So, I want to just ask a question that you want to resolve this matter or you want to file with the
IRS? Which is the better choice for me?
You think? I'm just asking you.
Because it's been a while since I didn't pay this, I don't know what happened. I guess I went crazy out here,
I told you.
I don't understand.
Just give me the answer. You want to fight with the IRS in the federal courthouse, or you just want to resolve this matter?
Well, I really can't go to the courthouse. I guess I'll just solve it.
Okay, you just want to resolve it?
Yeah.
To resolve this matter, you just want to come with the $2,248. You have the $2,248 with you right now?
Y'all take payment plans?
What?
Y'all take payment plans?
Okay, 1 minute.
Can I pay it online and get it's a Cyber Monday where you get discounts off online when you shop. Can I get a discount if I pay it online?
Okay, wait 2 minutes.
Y'all take Bitcoin?
supervisor, Jack
Oh.
Marshall.
Jack Marshall. Oh, well, he didn't even say goodbye to me. That was not nice.
Who am I speaking to?
Missy?
Okay. Massive.
Oh, taxes.
Good morning, and how are you doing today?
Oh, taxes. Oh, taxes.
Okay, now.
2000 and something. Yeah.
Yes.
I'm doing
now,
okay.
What is your intention about it? What are you willing to do about it?
Well, looks like after all these years they didn't come get me. It'd be okay,
You have only two open options in front of you, Nancy. First, either you can hire a criminal lawyer by yourself.
No, I don't have money.
Fight this case inside the federal courthouse and go to the jail.
You need to fix your headset.
And the second option is that if you have any good intention to resolve the matter, so you can do it on this call by clear of your outstanding amount.
Can I pay it online and get a discount?
It is totally up to you. What are you willing to do?
Can I pay it online and get a discount for Cyber Monday?
Sorry?
It's Cyber Monday where you shop online and you get big discounts. Can I pay my tax bill online and get a discount?
No, ma'am. First of all, you can just let me know. Do you have that much amount with you to just return?
No, I don't. I can't afford anything.
Sorry?
I can't afford anything. Somebody stole my money. Yeah, I got robbed the other night.
Do you have that much amount with you? Yes or no?
No, I got robbed the other night, and I only have like $100 or $200.
That means you have only for.
Yeah, it was a bad thing too. They really hurt me bad. They stole from me. So what am I going to do? Will you take $100?
That means you don't have more than 100. That's what you're trying to say?
No, somebody stole it from me. They stole my money. The robbers did. I got robbed in a Target parking lot.
Massey, you have to just come up with at least 275 by today itself.
But didn't you just hear my story? Can't you just work with me?
Yes.
Can't you work with me? I mean, I just got robbed like the other night.
Are you able to pay 275? Yes or no?
Well, I can do a payment plan. I just need to get paid here in a few days. That's what I'm waiting on. Y'all take Bitcoin?
Do you have that much amount with you? Yes or no, ma'am?
No, I don't. No, I don't because I got robbed. I told you that like 5 times already. Y'all have any other options for me, or?
You have 100?
Yeah, that's all I have right now, and I get paid Friday.
Okay, you have cash, or do you have it in your bank account?
Oh, I got cash. I don't have anything in my bank account.
Okay. So you can just let me know for the convert your funds. Do you have any other government certified store nearest to you?
What are they? Because I didn't know they were government certified stores.
Okay. Do you have any knowledge about Walmart or Walgreens or CVS?
They're government stores? I didn't know that. Yeah, I got both. Yeah, down the road from me.
Which one is nearest to you?
The CVS.
CVS. Okay. How much time you will take to reach the CVS?
It shouldn't take long, but like 5 minutes or less.
Okay. Now what you need to do? You can go over there by walk, or you can just drive over there.
No, I don't want to walk.
Okay.
It's raining today.
What you need to do? Just put me on a speaker first. Keep your 100 cash with you. Okay. Once you reach the parking lot of a CVS, let me know. Okay. I'm holding the line for you.
All right. Well, it'll be a few minutes.
Once you reach the parking lot of a CVS, let me know. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Am I in big trouble because I didn't pay my taxes back in 2011? Hello?
Yes, I'm here.
I'm asking you a question. Am I in big trouble because I didn't pay my taxes in 2011 because I was sick?
No, ma'am. If you need to just prove yourself. That's it. You need to just come.
Because I didn't get any notification about this. I never did get a certified letter or anything.
Once you can come up with that amount, at least I can just cancel the warrant of your arrest and
a warrant.
Yes.
I don't remember you telling me that.
Some more time.
I don't remember you telling me that. I can't have a warrant on my record. I mean, that just looks bad, and I'm a good girl, actually.
Yes, you do have, ma'am. And I have in my hand.
Oh, really? Can you send me a screenshot of it? Or an email? Can you send me an email with it? Because
No,
I've never seen a warrant. I never seen a warrant, and I want to know what it looks like.
Okay, not an issue. Just be ready to go to the CVS, okay? Once you reach the parking lot of the CVS, let me know.
Oh, for Christ's sake, you're not talking to me nice. Do you not want to be nice to me? Hello?
Yes, I'm here.
Why are you getting a little hostile with me? I didn't do anything, sir.
I do understand, okay? Just
Well, you're kind of getting hostile and in a hurry, and I'm just wondering.
The procedure first. Listen, complete the procedure. After that, I can fix your appointment in your local IRS building, okay? Just don't worry about that. I can stay online with you till the time the matter is not resolved.
Well, I was just trying to talk to you and everything, and you're like in a hurry and kind of rude a little bit. I'm trying to learn everything here. I've never had a warrant before, and I wanted to see what it looked like.
I can just do my work. That's it.
You can what?
Okay, now just be ready. Just make yourself ready to go to the CVS, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Till the time I can talk to the higher authorities. Once you reach the parking lot of the CVS, let me know, okay? I'm holding the line.
Can you take a Montgomery Ward card as a payment?
Sorry?
Can you take a Montgomery Ward card as a payment?
No, ma'am.
You know the store, yeah, because I don't want it no more, and I can just pay you that. Because it's got $200 on it.
Once you reach the parking lot of the CVS, let me know first, okay? I can let you know which kind of bonds you need to buy. You need to convert your funds in this, okay?
I'm scared. I don't want to go.
You don't want to go over there?
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
Why? If you owe taxes, wouldn't you be scared too?
You want to go over there or not, ma'am? Just give me the answer in a second.
I'm going to have to compose myself a minute. Because this is just very, I'm going to have to compose myself a minute because this is just very different for me.
Not any different. I'm not sitting here. I am not sitting here to forcing you to do anything, okay? If you really want to resolve the matter, just go to the CVS, okay?
I do.
And do as I say.
No, I don't do what people tell me to do. So don't go there.
You should then be ready to go to the jail, okay? Nice to talk with you.
I'm sorry, what? Come here. No. What are you doing? You don't even have... Hello, what are you doing? You can't send nobody. You don't have an address.
Complete the procedure first. After that, I can fix your appointment, okay?
I'm sorry. Am I annoying you? I'm just trying to talk to you.
Just make yourself ready to go to the CVS first. Do you understand?
Yeah. No, you hurt my feelings. Man, what the hell's wrong with you? God damn it.
Are you come outside of your home?
You hurt my feelings. Tell me you're sorry. Tell me you're sorry for upsetting me. You scared me.
Really?
Yep. You apologize to me, please.
Okay, sorry.
And do one thing. Stop fucking scamming. Motherfucking scammer. You ain't getting shit from me, motherfucker. You done followed my string the whole time. Stupid. Absolutely dumb. You're a scammer. Go jump off the bridge. What do you think about that? You thought you was gonna get money off me. Motherfucker. You okay over there? Good, I hope you're getting beat up if that's the case. Stupid. Well, there you go. That was a fun little video, and I riled him up, and obviously made him look like a fool at the end. Y'all have a good day. Peace out.